In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write an essay with ChatGPT. Now, I'm going to show you some commands which are going to help you generate a better essay with ChatGPT. Because if you just ask it to write an essay, it's not actually going to be that great. But let's say we need to write an essay about World War II. We can go ahead and enter in this command here. Give me an essay about World War II, cover the key events, why they happened, and the impact they have today. So you've given ChatGPT an outline and 3 points to cover about World War II. So now we've got our essay about World War II. Now what we can do is we can ask ChatGPT to make it longer. You can see we've got the key events which we asked for here. We haven't really got why they happened and the impact they have today. So you could say to ChatGPT, what impact does this have today in the modern world? And what it's done here is it's listed us the impact. So you could just say now, add these points to the essay in more detail. And then it's going to rewrite the whole essay with these points. So that's how you can write an essay with ChatGPT. Get creative with what you actually ask it, and you'll end up with a good essay with detail. I hope that video helped you out. Leave a like if it did.